Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be reviewing the Eazeechairs S5 Ergonomic Mesh Chair. As much as I love my standing desk over here, it's really important to have a proper chair that offers some pretty good back support, because if you're going to be working from home for like 6 to 8 hours a day, or you're doing all your classes from home, you're going to want a good chair that can offer some good back support, since if it doesn't have that good back support, you're going to have some back pains that can turn into some pretty long-term problems. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this chair that I'm sitting on right now, which is the Eazeechairs S5 Ergonomic Chair. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this after this review video, or after you go through the entire video and make a good decision on if this chair is right for you, then you could go ahead and use the code Sushant20 for $20 off your order. And also, as a side note, Eazeechairs did provide me this chair completely for free, but they didn't pay me to say anything positive about this chair. So overall, the chair was actually pretty easy to assemble with the video that they do provide. Eazeechairs does have a video which is around 4 to 5 minutes, and it really does help if you're trying to assemble this chair. And for me personally, the chair took around an hour to assemble, but I did have a small problem with putting one of the wheels into one of the holes. But that's a pretty unique problem, and I'm sure you're not going to have it if you do decide to pick up this chair and assemble it. And the cool thing about this chair is that everything actually comes together, and there's not too many parts in order to assemble this chair. And another great thing is that you don't actually need your toolbox or any other tools besides what comes with the box in order to assemble the chair. So to get started, to talk about some of the features of this chair, we can start with the back recline adjustment. The chair can tilt back in 4 different positions and can be locked with the tilt lock at the bottom right or the bottom left of the chair. And honestly, this is probably one of the most important features in a good chair for me, just because whenever I'm trying to relax and just watch some YouTube videos or watch some TV, it's great to just be able to push the chair back and just recline and relax and kind of chill out after a pretty long day. So another great feature about this chair is the adjustable lumbar support, which can adjust the lumbar support vertically to give you the support that you need. This helps to maintain the natural curve of your spine and reduce pressure on your back, making the chair a lot more comfortable if you're seated in it for a pretty long period of time. The next feature about this chair would be the cushioned seat, which is basically the high density foam seat that's covered with a high quality fabric that feels pretty premium. The chair is a lot more comfortable with the seat cushion and also can be adjusted depending on your height. The next adjustable part of this chair would be the adjustable armrests. The armrest can be adjusted in 3 dimensions, being the height, the forward and backward, and sideways. This gives you a ton of adjustability, which is seen in mostly high-end chairs, and is also very comfortable because of the padded surface on the top of the armrests. I'm someone who usually uses the armrests all day to keep my elbows on whenever I'm typing, so it's been great to have something very adjustable and comfortable. The headrest is more squared off and designed when compared to a popular chair like the Staples hiking chair, but in this case, the headrest is vertically adjustable. The headrest is pretty comfortable and prevents you from hunching forward whenever you're at your desk. Whenever you want to tilt your chair back, the headrest is great for supporting your head and ultimately gives you a really comfortable position if you're just trying to relax. A pretty unique feature about this chair would be the nylon mute wheels, which offer a pretty quiet and smooth rolling experience which doesn't damage your carpeted or your wood flooring. Overall, this chair is very comfortable because of the adjustability all around the chair. The headrest, the armrest, and even the tilt are all adjustable, meaning that the chair is pretty adjustable so that it fits your body type and your height. In my opinion though, this chair isn't more comfortable than the popular Staples hiking chair which I previously reviewed, because the lumbar support kind of does stick out a little bit more than I would like. However, because the lumbar support does stick out just a little bit more than the Staples hiking chair, it does force me to sit up in a more of an upright position, meaning that my posture is going to be a little bit better throughout the day. And for that reason alone, I'm going to be sticking with this chair as my daily chair for my 9 to 5 work from home job. And using this chair for a few days now, I have to say that it's a very sturdy and professional looking chair that it's going to last you for years to come if you do decide to pick up this chair. So now to go into some of my closing thoughts or my recommendations about this chair, I have to start with that Eazeechairs does provide a 2-year warranty, meaning that if you don't like the chair for any reason or if anything goes wrong, you're able to just give it back completely for free. And Eazeechairs also provides free returns and full satisfaction guarantee, meaning that if you don't like the chair for any reason, you could always just give it back completely for free, and you have peace of mind there just to make sure that everything goes right and you're not going to be wasting your full $370. I personally wouldn't recommend this chair to anybody who is in high school right now or in college with a tight budget, since this chair is a little bit more high-end and does cost a little bit more. I would instead just recommend something like the Staples hiking chair or the IKEA Marcus. But on the other hand, if you're someone who just recently graduated and is working a 9 to 5 job like me, or somebody in general who's just working a 9 to 5 job and spends a lot of the time at their desk or in their chair, I would definitely recommend this chair since it's going to last you for a pretty long time and is really comfortable, durable, and looks great at your desk setup. And also, if you're somebody who's just watching this video, not really in the market for a good chair right now, I would definitely recommend, if you don't have a proper chair and you do sit at your desk for a long period of time, I wouldn't overlook getting a quality chair, since it could really help prevent your back from having any injuries in the long term. It also just gives you a lot more of a comfortable experience whenever you're at your desk setup for a pretty long period of time. And anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys found this one helpful or you guys enjoyed it, be sure to go down below and hit that like and subscribe button. And if you guys do want to purchase this chair, be sure to use the coupon code Sushant20, which I'll have in the description below, including the link. And anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.